The first question is, what brand's #1 cup is based on gin? The correct answer is D, Pimm's. Question 2. Haggis was effectively banned in the U.S. in 1971 when the USDA prohibited import of what ingredient? The correct answer is B, sheep's lung. Question 3. Shala bread is typically associated with which religion? The correct answer is C, Judaism. Question 4. Ounce for ounce, which of these fruits would add the greatest antioxidant properties to your muffin? The correct answer is D, blueberry. Question 5. In northern China, when farmers harvest millet, what are they gathering? The correct answer is D, grain. Question 6. Which of these would you be least likely to find in mock turtle soup? The correct answer is A, turtle. Question 7. Tibetan butter tea contains rock salt and dray, which is what kind of butter? The correct answer is D, yak. Question 8. Mostly, Italians use tomato-based red sauces for pasta, but which of these is an Italian-American white sauce? The correct answer is B, Alfredo. Question 9. Where would you most likely eat molejas, which is calf thymus served with lemons? The correct answer is C, Argentina. And the last question is, Frank Wisner created a black cow by adding a scoop of vanilla ice cream to a glass of Myers Avenue Red. What do we call a black cow today? The correct answer is C, root beer float. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.